Agaro electric spin mop ready to tackle various floors, tile, wood, laminate and marble. The box contains a main unit with the handle itself, and you also get the dry fabric pads here, and two of them are already inserted. Those are wet fabric pads, and also you get water measuring cup. You can pour it in this particular area. You can see it's already inserted with the two pads, and you also get a warranty and manual and also a charger included within the box. These are the components available in the box. These are the mopper fabric discs you can see on the screen. I simply attach this wet fabric pads first. It's very easy to attach, as you can see on the screen, guys. It's got attached now. Now we can pour the water. Open that knob and fill the water into it. Up to 175 ml you can pour the water. It's ready for now wet mopping, guys. And keep the water measuring cup side. The mopper fabric disc works with 150 rpm speed for effective mopping. For water spray and mopping, simply press and hold the spray button on the handle to spray water and mop as shown on the screen. After the wet mopping, simply rotate the machine and remove those wet fabric discs and replace with dry fabric discs as I shown in the video. You guys can see this. It's also easy. You can easily fit them into those machine in the two given areas with the dry fabric pads. Done. Just rotate it and turn on the device. Now I'll keep this wet fabric pads away. With 180 degrees swivel handle and two-step adjustable extension rod, it is easy to reach under tables, sofas, beds and corners as I am showing on the screen. It's very easy to wash these mop pads being washed under running water. Then you can hang it to dry further. Within the box you will get a charger here, as you can see, and just on the back side you will get a socket you can insert here. On the other side you can insert on the electric board. As you can see, the red signals charging is connected. You'll get 50 minutes of use with 4 hours of charge. This is the full review of Agaro electric spin mop, guys. I really liking this product. If you want to check out the product details and pricing, you can check out in the description. I'm really liking this product, especially for the bachelors and even the elders, especially the handle rotation what they have given and electric current usage and everything is really good. I felt really happy and easy to clean my floors, especially the tiles floors. You can also use it for different types of floorings. Really liking this product. If you want to check out, go to the description and check out the product. And this is Sampath, guys. If you are liking this video, give a like and subscribe to my channel. We'll meet you with another interesting video. Until that, keep smiling. Bye bye for now.